Fake military man arrested among the militaries. This thing is happening in Nigeria. I don't know if you understand what I say. Fake military man arrested among the military. They say even this military man where you see here, he don't even arrest so many military. Collect money from them. Civilians they collect water for this guy hand, and he no be any military at all. This is wetin dey happen for a country where we say the system no even know how many people were there inside. As we dey talk that one, they say that Anioma people has tell those who they cry, say make they cry hard because they are coming for their brothers in Edo and their brothers in Kogi, their brothers in other part of Igbo land, because the Igbos must unify themselves as they are agitating for Anioma state to make Igbo land a eastern region. Okay, my wonderful people, we will go bring the videos to the show now before we come back. Continue. I'm going to play you the video of this fake military man before I play the other video. So watch this video.
Hey, the interviewer. Who are you? Who are you, my friend? Who are you?
I'm not be anybody.
Where do you see the common uniform you are putting on?
I go buy and they give me.
Who give it to you?
Now one of my friends
Who? What is his name?
Now one private Ibrahim.
Ibrahim what?
I don't know his surname. Now him I know.
Go, but let him know.
No, I don't know his surname. Now
let him know.
I know. I don't know his surname.
Where?
I don't know his surname now. I don't know his surname.
I don't know his surname. Where is he staying? Where is he serving?
I don't know his surname.
Where is he serving?
Now medical they tell me saying they serve.
Nice. How much you sell for you?
I beg you.
How much sell for you, ba?
Eh?
How much sell for you?
You collect 10,000 from my hand.
For your hand.
Oga, no feel
So
like
when you
Oga,
meet
beg.
me, why you no open up? Tell me say you're not a soldier.
Oga.
Why do you play along with me? Did you know I'm a military police?
Oga,
Even the person that introduced to me tell you say be very careful with me, ba.
Oga, I know.
Yes.
I believe you. That's why I do like that for you. I turn you to my blood. That's why.
You tell me why you no open up? Tell me.
Oga, I'm sorry. I turn you to my blood. That's why. I turn you to my
Who
blood. I don't hide anything.
You
from
say na
you,
one
Oga.
soldier, say na for
Who
you.
say that for
Oga,
you?
wait, Oga, beg.
Who say that for you?
Oga, 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 you my blood.
Who say that for you? Which guy
Oga,
will
you
say
my
that for you?
blood.
Now
Oga,
so
beg.
one yesterday they claim
Oga,
Air
you
Force
my
this thing.
blood. Oga, you
they do
my
fake
blood.
transfer up and down.
Oga, you my blood.
Even major, arrest major.
Oga,
Listen to me.
Oga, you my blood. Oga, you my blood.
Stay for.
Take it back.
How your back?
Now your bag, that shit there.
So
Oga,
your mommy have talked to you
Oga,
several
beg.
times. I beg. This is number. Let me call your mama. You go see. One, make it one. We call down. Hey, hold up for hand. Make I sound. Put up for hand like this. Make I sound. Open up your sha.
Oga.
Who are you?
Oga, I no be anybody.
Who are you?
Oga, beg.
You still have 2019 NA, ba?
Oga, beg. I no be 2019. Oga, help me. Oga,
You
no
said
be
what?
identity.
Where is that ID card?
Oga, beg.
That fake
Oga.
ID card.
Fake
See
ID
the
card.
fake ID card.
ID card when no.
See the fake ID card.
Okay.
See the fake ID card. You used to claim as a soldier. Now last copper did that. If we put last copper.
That's copper.
Last copper.
Charger full inside.
Wait, I don't see a head. Wait.
Na charger dey
You
inside.
get that motor? Wait.
Wait.
No, I no get motor.
I don't get motor. You give
Hold on.
Okay. Oh yeah. Hold it very well. Hold it very well.
I go knock you stick for. I go.
I don dey hold am.
Gambo over shake ya.
This one never chop.
That shit.
You are a fake soldier, ba?
Never chop am.
Put your hand down. Put your hand down. Put your hand down. Put your hand down. Hey, leave him first. Leave him
Make them
first.
start for your chest like
first.
this. Hold on.
Yeah. Who are you? Last copper what?
Oga no get.
Last copper what?
Oga no get. Na my blood. Na my
Make
brother.
sure that name wey dey
Na my
there.
brother. Na my
Last
brother.
copper what?
Abraham. Na my brother.
Abraham what?
Abraham na Tanimo Owo. Oga na my brother.
Yes.
Tanimo Owo. Tanimo.
Who did that card for you? Tell me the truth. No tell me the truth. I will useless you. Who? For where?
I go for
For where?
I don't beat you.
For where?
Just stop.
For where?
I go for the dam.
For where?
For Lagos.
Who side for Lagos?
Eh?
For who side for
Na
Lagos?
for Mushin side.
Mushi. Who side for Mushi?
Na one large inside that Ileku na there.
You know there, ba? We are going there tomorrow. Since you tell me, you better open and tell me the truth now.
First, say the truth.
Oga, I don't say the truth. I no be like na my
Abeg.
blood.
I want to
I
see.
pray for this day.
I beg, see, take my phone. Let me give this thing. Let me charge am. May I call Baba Tunde? Wait. Take call. Make me charge the post. Yes, my friend.
You don't know many soldiers.
Baba Tunde, you arrest and my name is that my day now. The one officer.
Soldier.
Yes. Hey, Baba Tunde no arrest. I be no arrest you.
Go down.
Eh?
Go down.
Flood down for me. Flood down. Flog him. Flog him. Yeah. Hey. Don't touch me. Don't go there. Go there. Come. Hey, leave my hand. Leave my hand. Yeah. Hey. Undress him. Undress him. Undress him. Undress him, my friend. Undress him. Come on, the ritual for your face. Address him. Address him.
Yeah.
Me, I'm an MP. Confirm MP.
Leave and you go come out everything.
Oh boy, when you come to my anniversary, what did they tell you? Eh? Damn Boroba, Sh0ck.
Damn idiot.
These are fake soldier.
Sh0ck.
These are fake soldier like you. Eh? Never know me.
Na my machine key. Na my machine key.
Come on, leave him. Leave him. Yeah.
Come on.
And the boot and everything.
Come on, the boot first. Is that the way soldier? Yeah.
Come on everything.
Come on that one
Because
first.
spoil soldier.
Come on that one first.
And them.
Come on, what you get for your pocket?
I no be lie for you. It's my blood, oga. It should be my blood.
You go tell mama say, na me be your oga.
Come on that
I train from anywhere.
Because they spoil soldier.
Did I train from anywhere?
Oga, I want my boot. Oga,
Yeah.
I make I want my boot.
Yeah, how far? Leave him. Leave him. Make it over. Yeah.
Make I oga say make I want my boot.
Go for yeah.
Confirm.
If I open my back, you go see all the mark within my back.
No, leave him, ba.
From depot.
Never know anything. You're a madman.
Because they carry pump.
He say be soldier.
Carry last copper.
Call it. Tell me.
So I'll come start on the
My people, nothing person no go see for inside Nigeria. Oh, he don't read. You know see what happen for there. However, let me bring you this video. May you hear waiting this our brothers from Anioma Vøw To put.
We just started. Now you just had a word only from Senator Ned Nwoko. You are shivering. Now there is an uproar. People are making a whole lot of noise on the social media because we are talking about Anioma State. We are coming. There is another point that is about coming out, which speaks about the boundary adjustment. That boundary adjustment talks about our people that were taken away from our body to add to a place where they are not being recognized as a woman. For example, if you go to Edo State has many communities that are of Igbo stock. Many communities that are of Igbo stock. Edo State. And when you visit Edo State and all the local government that these communities are into, you see high rate and high level of marginalization being mentored on these people. For example, Ibake. Are you aware that most of our communities in those states are not allowed to work in their local government with their Igbo name? If you bear a name that is like Anioma Vøw To, they will tell you that you cannot come from Igbo land to come and work in their local government. Then because you find yourself there, for you to work, to gain a kind of job, to gain employment, you must change that your name from Igbo name to Bini name. This is what our people have been suffering. And this is one of the reasons why we are working to see that boundary adjustments are being looked into. And I'm here glad to tell you that of late, we have been working tirelessly with our brothers from Benue, from Kogi. As time goes, at times unfolds, you are going to see some of the events that will be coming up from Benue, Igbo communities in Benue, and the ones from Kogi.
My wonderful people, now so we see for Matao, and I will say more carry am con show na. Beg, may you drop your own opinion for inside comment section and share the video. Do you think that these Aliomas who are agitating for 5 Eastern region, are you sure if they give them the state, they are going to remain the East? I be they go agitate to stay on their own. Now question I ask, I beg, may you drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Thank you.